Baboon, maximize!
Beast Wars! Beast Wars! Beast Wars!
Let's get started. Tonight we're going to draw a baboon from the Beast Wars anime. In the anime, he's known as Apache. Also, this guy is considered a triple changer. I promise I'll show you his third form real soon. He transforms from blasting battle mode to awesome battle bot. Alright, there's his upper half. Now we draw his upper half. I meant his nose. Alexa, play I'm Night Ninja.
Here's I'm Night Ninja by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Step aside or get in line. It's not ninja's time to shine. Sticky splat tricks, I'm the Ninja King. You know I'm better at everything. The Ninja Lee knows by my side. Nobody can stop this guy. Always causing trouble in the middle of the night. I'm Night Ninja.
Here's his legs.
Breaking all the rules, I'm the coolest of the cool. I'm Night Ninja. I step inside under cover of the night. My ninja moves are out of sight. Try to fight me, you know what I'll do? I'll stop you in your tracks and sticky splat you. Always causing trouble in the middle of the night. I'm Night Ninja. Breaking all the rules, I'm the coolest of the cool. I'm Night Ninja. I'm Night Ninja.
Does anyone smell sunblock?
I'm Night Ninja.
Alexa, play Shout Hooray.
Here's Shout Hooray by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Mission completed, come on everyone. Villains defeated and they're on the run. We put an end to all their plans and schemes. No one can beat this unstoppable team. We saved the day and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray. We went into the night and
Yeah.
we saved the day. It's a celebration. Come on. Everybody jump up and shout hooray. When we work together, we always win. We've got each other through thick and thin. When the day is over and the teams are here, let the celebration start and give a cheer. We saved the day and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray. We went into the
Alexa,
night.
what is a baboon?
Baboons are primates comprising the genus Papio, one of the 23 genera of Old World monkeys. There are 6 species of baboon: the Hamadryas baboon, the Guinea baboon, the olive baboon, the yellow baboon, the Kakinda baboon, and the Chacma baboon. Each species is native to one of 6 areas of Africa, and the Hamadryas baboon is also native to part of the Arabian Peninsula.
Shoot, I lost the page. Never mind, I found it. Amber. Alexa, play Beyond the Limits by Android Orchestra.
Beyond the Limit by Android Orchestra on Amazon Music.
Now we draw the missile launcher. We start with a square, then we draw 6 onion rings mounted onto his back. I promise I'll show you his triple changer form real soon, so it doesn't make you guys impatient. Ultra Instinct is awesome, am I right, folks? Ultra Instinct. Got this one. And done. That is how you draw a baboon. Now this is the power of a monkey.